Sir, I was in my room. ये सारी गड़बड़ में very unparliamentary words were used by honorable member. I cannot repeat that, sir. Sir, I want to know. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I am not questioning who has provoked, who was wrong, why it happened. Sir, this shouldn't happen. He is a senior legislator. He owes an apology. I request him through you to kindly apologize. It is a very wrong message which will go. Sir, not using, sir, you might have not heard. Sir, he said about mothers. That is not right. And then after that, he also said, come out. I will see. Sir, but the mic was there, sir. Sir, mic was there. It came in the mic. Honorable Speaker, sir, I am requesting you, sir, it will not be good, sir. It is not good for this house. I know people provoke us. I know there are people who instigate us, but we have to keep our control. We cannot just get led away. It is not good for the house, sir. I request through you once again, without giving any reasons, you are a senior member, Mr. Nagender Saab, I request that, yes, in that anger, I did. I am sorry about it. I apologize for it. Then, the decorum of this house will remain. Kindly, sir, through you, I just want to request.
Thank you.
Akbar Saab, you have been seeing me from so many years. Speaker sir, you are also seeing me from so many years. I never lose my anger. Unfortunately, now they have started saying something about me that I don't, my London friend did not see that because I was in the mic. You might have seen only this version. Sir, my style of functioning in the house, everybody knows about me from so many years. I worked as minister. This is 6th time I became MLA here. They are not supposed to address me, sir. When I am addressing you, when I am addressing the house, they cannot straight away question me. I got the permission from the honorable chair. So chair के चूसी chair के धरिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. So they are interrupting to me and they are saying something about me. They are also using filthy language. So I reacted on that. If you feel or anybody feel that it hurt anybody's sentiment, I express my regrets for that, sir. It's not my intention is not that. Sir, ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్ అనేది ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి వ్యక్తిగతంగా ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎవరిని మనం హర్ట్ చేయాలని కాదు, అందరినీ కలుపుకొని కొత్త సభ్యులకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇవ్వాలని దే హావ్ బీన్ లిటరలీ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ టు ద చైర్. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి ఆపర్చునిటీ వస్తే
అలా అన్పార్లమెంటరీ వర్డ్స్ వాడి
దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అన్పార్లమెంటరీ సార్. అమ్మ అనేది హైదరాబాద్లో అది
వాడి ఉంటే రికార్డులను పరిశీలించి తొలగి
हैदराबाद का लैंग्वेज है नी अम्मा अम्मा बोल नहीं आई एम नॉट सेइंग सर वो सर रूटीन में आ जाता साहब ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ मैं. इट्स नॉट दिस थिंग.
नागेंद्र
ओके आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्रेस माय रिग्रेट्स अकबर भाई छोड़ दीजिए सर. ఈరోజు ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి